Hi, welcome everyone. This is the online video tutorial for the Salesforce Administrator Training. I will be uploading further videos. If you have a look on this page, you'll see my website where I have the online portfolio for these courses. It's www.delcurry.com. I look forward to teaching you and I hope you enjoy these courses. Hi, my name is Diane and I'll be your instructor for this online tutorial. First, we'll be going through creating a Salesforce user account. The next section will be looking at organizational setup, and then we'll move on to user setup. In the beginning of this course, you'll find some resources and links that you can download for additional information and knowledge. And please provide any feedback, email me any questions you may have, and I hope you enjoy the course. Right, so here I've added the additional links and resources, and what I'd like you to do is go through each link that I've provided. The first one it covers exactly what is Salesforce, and it is a phenomenal application, and I would really encourage learners to go through and make sure they really understand the breadth and depth of features and functionality that this platform has to offer. The next point will cover the training that Salesforce offers. They do offer online training as well as in-class courses. The training tends to be on the bit expensive side, and for those of you who don't want to spend that sort of money, there are other options that you could take up to learn Salesforce as an administrator. If you're interested in those options, please send me an email. I would gladly point you in the right direction for additional resources where you could study on your own to learn Salesforce. Alright, the last link I have is information on taking the Salesforce certification exam, and that will just cover the details around that. It's a multiple choice exam, and just what's involved and some typical examples of what those exam questions are like. We'll move on to the next section and we'll be going into creating a free Salesforce account. We're going to be looking at creating the free Salesforce account. What you're going to need to do is log into Google and type in Salesforce free account, and you'll see there's two options, free developer edition, and below that is the free trial. Now the free trial is a 30-day trial. You don't need to select that. We want to go for the free developer edition. The word developer may be deceiving, but admins are still able to create their accounts. So we're going to select that, and the next screen opens up, and you're going to complete each of those sections and fill in your details. Once that's been completed, if you take a look where the role, it says developer, you can leave that as a default. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you change it. There's not going to be any difference to the platform. I'll excuse that box in the bottom right corner. So your username, that's going to be an email address. It can be any email address. It doesn't have to be a true email address. It's just going to be a username that you will be using. Once you've completed all your information, you're going to select Sign Me Up, and that should take us to the next window where they will send you an email into your email account that you've listed, and you need to go there and check it, and you need to confirm your email account. This is actually a screenshot of my email account, and that's the email that you will receive. You're going to click on Verify Account, and that will then take you to the next page where you have to change your password for your Salesforce account. So you'll fill in those sections there, and you'll need to change your password. Once you've done that, it opens up into the Salesforce Lightning view, and users who are used to the Salesforce Classic view can change that. So the top right corner, you click on that icon, it's your user profile, and you'll see Switch to Salesforce Classic view, and you're able to click on that and your view will change. So you can use whichever view you're comfortable with. So those are the quick, easy steps to setting up your free Salesforce account. And the next video tutorial will be looking at navigating this platform and looking at some really useful features that Salesforce has.